First, we're gonna put the water, and then some land, and then our volcano.
Nice.
And then we have a pair of ancient tree.
Okay.
We're gonna put the underwater decorations. We're gonna put our prehistoric creature. We have a diplodocus, a quetzalcoatlus, a tyrannosaurus, an ankylosaurus, a triceratops, a deinonychus, a spinosaurus, a kentrosaurus, a stegosaurus, a gooey draco, a brachiosaurus, an archelon, a liopleurodon, a mosasaurus, a leadsichthys, a temnodontosaurus, a pilosaurus, and an ichthyosaurus. The diplodocus near the plant area where it can feed.
Nice. There you go.
The quetzalcoatlus
We're gonna put that.
right here.
Oh, we're gonna put it on top of the volcano?
Actually, mostly on the ground.
Oh,
There.
nice.
The Tyrannosaurus Rex. We're gonna put it near the shore, since scientists think that T-Rex can swim and also hunt
really?
prey in the shore.
Okay, nice.
The Ankylosaurus,
Wow.
the club.
Yeah,
I'm gonna put it here fighting with the T-Rex.
oh yeah. That is so cool.
Yeah.
Who do you think is gonna win?
I think the T-Rex, because did you know the T-Rex is very smart?
Okay.
The Triceratops. We're gonna put it right here feeding on some plants.
Nice.
The Deinonychus right here next to the Quetzalcoatlus so it can catch its prey.
Oh,
There. The Spinosaurus. Since it's a semi-aquatic dinosaur, we're gonna put it right here because it's a semi-aquatic dinosaur.
it's amphibious.
Yeah,
It can go on land.
on land and both in water.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, it can swim, right?
Yeah. The Kentrosaurus.
Kentrosaurus.
It has some spikes on its shoulder.
Okay, both sides, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna put it right here.
Near the tree.
The Stegosaurus
Yes.
with its balloony plates.
Yeah, and also it has a
A
tagomizer,
tagomizer.
right? Like
Yeah.
the spikes on the tail, right?
I'm gonna make it fighting with the Kentrosaurus.
But they're both in the same family of Stegosaurus, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it there even, and also they lived in different countries. I'm just gonna
Okay.
put it there for fantasy, even though they lived in different countries.
Let's
The
go!
gooey draco.
Wow, gooey drag. What?
Gooey draco.
Okay, nice.
Known for its nab-like teeth. It's kind of smaller, but it's one of the largest pterosaurs in the world.
Alright.
One of them.
Cool.
Okay, we're gonna put that.
On top of the volcano, since it likes to fly.
Alright.
Last, the
Next.
land dinosaur,
The last land dinosaur is what?
the Brachiosaurus.
Oh, another famous one.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it right here, feeding with the Diplodocus. What a big appetite. Now we're gonna add the prehistoric sea creatures.
Alright.
First, the Archelon, a huge turtle.
The biggest turtle.
Yeah,
We're gonna put that.
near the shore to lay its eggs.
Wow. Nice. Okay, next one.
The Liopleurodon
Alright. Let's place it in the water.
in the water right here. Deep water.
Okay, next.
The Mosasaur.
Whoa.
The Mosasaurus.
Oh, it's a Mosasaurus, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I'm gonna put it right here on top of this coral.
Cool. Next.
The Leadsichthys.
Alright. It's an ancient fish.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put it right here.
Top
There.
of the coral.
The Temnodontosaurus. So we're gonna put it right here near deep water since it had large eyes. The next one is the Pilosaurus. I'm gonna put it right here. The last one, the Ichthyosaur. I'm gonna put it right here so I can hunt it. since it hunted ichthyosaurs.
Nice.
And this is my dinosaur or prehistoric creature diorama with all of the sea creatures and all of the land creatures in this one Mesozoic era with all of those dinosaurs. Thank you for watching, Kiddozanians. I hope you like my dinosaur diorama video, and always remember, confidence is your superpower. Bye, Kiddozanians.
Bye.
Bye.